This video demonstrates how to use AI to generate products listing titles. Making a listing title with effective keywords is an essential means of increasing click-through and conversion rate, which could attract more traffic and thus more sales. First, longer titles with more keywords are easier to match and identify for TikTok Shop, thus to raise the likelihood that the customer will come across the title. Second, listing titles with more comprehensive aspects can improve the platform's algorithm's recommendation of relevant scenarios for customers. The last one is essential. Excellent titles that can intuitively convey the features and value of the product are more likely to make users click through and turn into real purchase. In many cases, if you need to manually write a listing title with the best performance, you'll need to search and summarize the listing titles of best-selling similar products on various cross-border e-commerce platforms, including Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, and eBay. And then analyze the titles for potential industry general words, core keywords, popular traffic words, long-tail keywords, and complementary product words. And finally, we need to summarize and combine these different types of keywords together. Then compare them to filter out a listing title that can attract more traffic. But the listing title generated manually is time-consuming for 15 to 20 minutes on average. Now, it only takes 3 steps and 10 seconds to generate a popular listing title through AI Info Seller. First, click AI icon beside the primary listing title. Second, click Generate, then apply it. Third, return to display the AI-generated title. So, how does the AI-generated title function work? ForSeller will first pre-capture the listings of hot sale products on mainstream platforms and use ChatGPT embedding for vector storage. In the meanwhile, it takes your original product information and do a vector search. Then filter out the vectors with the most similar values from the database by matching them. AI will take the original title, category, detailed page information as the basis, together with the hot sale product title obtained in the previous step, thus to let ChatGPT extract the key information and regenerate the high-quality product title. Obviously, title generated manually is time-consuming and sometimes it may not be ideal. But AI-generated title is formed based on ChatGPT. It saves time and efforts with scientific methods of OpenAI embedding, contributing to high-quality titles. The following are real user feedback and all achieved a good sales volume. That concludes our introduction how to use AI to generate products listing titles. There are more details and examples available within our online help center. Thanks for watching.